Hi, this is the Honor 70 Lite and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should just hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And we could see that we just successfully here created the new home screen folder. You could also add by another way the applications here. Just click to this plus icon and select the applications which you want to add to your folder. Then just tap to OK and that's it. To just rename the folder, you should click on the name one and enter the apps, for example. Also, if you want to rename it by another way, just hold for a while the folder, click to rename and enter the new one. If you want to just resize the folder to make it bigger or smaller, just hold it, tap to enlarge. Also, you could make it smaller and just tap to the shrink. To move here on the home screen or between the screens, the folder, you should just hold and drag it. If you want to remove the application from here, you should just hold the app and drag it to your home screen. If you want to stay with this app on the home screen, also you could remove a couple of apps in one click just by unselect them, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.